हापुड़ के बैम्बू ग्रोव स्कूल में शनिवार के दिन एलकेजी के बच्चों द्वारा रोचक ड्रामे का प्रदर्शन किया गया। ड्रामे को दो भाग में दिखाया गया। ड्रामा एक अमेजिंग टैलेंट शो था, जिसमें यह बताया गया कि हर बच्चे में कोई ना कोई कला छिपी होती है। ड्रामा दो दियास हेल्पर्स था, जिसका उद्देश्य था कि हमारे जीवन में हर व्यक्ति विशेष स्थान रखता है। ड्रामे के बाद बच्चे ने मधुर गाने भी गाए। इस कार्यक्रम की खास बात ये थी कि दोनों ड्रामे और सॉन्ग्स विद्यालय की बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर राधा त्यागी ने लिखे और तैयार किए थे। इस कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि विद्यालय के डायरेक्टर प्रदीप सुंदर नारायण सिंह थे। उन्होंने बताया कि ऐसे कार्यक्रम में बच्चों के अंदर का डर बाहर निकलता है। विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य मंजू त्यागी ने कहा कि ऐसे कार्यक्रमों से बच्चों में स्टेज फियर नहीं रहता। बच्चों के अभिभावकों ने आकर छोटे छोटे बच्चों का उत्साह बढ़ाया और कहा कि बैम्बू ग्रोव स्कूल समय समय पर ऐसे कार्यक्रम का आयोजन करता रहता है और उनके बच्चों के लिए नए नए रास्ते खोलता है।
Was totally overwhelmed, especially with the accent. LKG students are trying to speak, especially Riya. They were too good, and the effort that Manju ma'am want everything to be perfect. That cycle, इसको ऐसे लगाओ, ये ऐसे नहीं. That was totally perfect. Everything was perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
I will not say one word, but I'll say teachers and students all they work very hard to make this happen, to make this success. Radha ma'am always puts 100%, more than 100% for any occasion in the school, I think. And Manju ma'am always, as usual, she gives 100% and she'll like cherry on the cake. And she's wonderful. Radha ma'am, you did a fabulous job. And all the teachers and all the students. I mean, without their efforts, that cannot be happened.
All events are very good and Manju ma'am efforts are so much good. The base of the event is so high and I am totally satisfied with this. It was totally awesome. Children are awesome, the accent awesome and all the appreciation goes to Manju ma'am.
She is awesome and the kids are awesome.
It's really a wonderful experience for us also that we are watching our children performing in front of us. And as far as the children are concerned, they are really grooming into like some big kinds of things. Like the main thing that I liked about the program was the versatility. That some people were acting as a doctor, some people were acting as a gymnast and number wizard. So in all over development of the personality, that would be very good for the children.
Very nice performance and all the event credit goes to Manju ma'am and all the teachers. Thank you.
I appreciate the entire staff of the school and especially Manju ma'am, Radhani and everyone their hard work for the students.
First of all, actually, we are so blessed, LKG parents, that our students got this platform to present these type of performance on the stage. So we know that they are too young, but teachers and principal are putting lot of efforts with them. That's why they made it possible. And the impact is like definitely they are going to learn something from it. So that will help them in future, definitely. Thank you.
Loved it. It was brilliant. It was planned very well and we had a lot of confidence. Thank you so much.
By seeing the participation of the children, it impacts on the overall development and personality of the children. Stage fear and all the other fear that student face, it gives them an exposure. So it's brilliant.
I think it's a very nice initiative school has been pushing students to perform and not only focusing on studies because we as parents cannot give them this much exposure and I think one day if we keep on doing such activities they will probably their personalities will build, like they'll have more confidence and they'll not be like the like our generation who used to just study and come back to school. They are involved in so many activities, it's building their personality. and it requires a lot of hard work, and all the teachers are putting in so much efforts. I'm really grateful. Thank you.
I think first of all we are saying a big thank to the Manju ma'am and all the teachers and coordinator of this school, that we can't imagine that such kind of beautiful performance done by the children and the teachers are unremarkable. Means I think that I cannot assume that the students of this school perform very well. They beat the Gurukul and the other schools. But thank you so much for this.
See, I feel what I'm most happy about in Bamboo Group is the fact that apart from education, I think a very important political is expression. How? What do you do with yourself? How do you express yourself? How do you articulate yourself? And these are important aspects that have to be developed at a childhood level. Once you are able to express through poetry, through dance, through music, you become one with a larger system of how humanity works. So I feel it's such an important thing that we focus on extracurriculars apart from education. And it was a delight to see all the children perform the way they did. And most importantly, I think it's Manju ma'am's vision, Radha ma'am, who implements that vision and adds more to it from the plethora of experience that she has. And the teachers, of course, who sing individually, they work with each child. Each child is given enough time to figure out and be comfortable to be able to express themselves. And we have extremely supportive parents, so that adds to the bounty. Overall, a beautiful program, and well done to all the teachers, all the staff members of Bamboo Grove, Radha ma'am and Manju ma'am. Pradeep sir has always been a guiding light, so thanks to him too. Thank you.